Have you ever wondered how to trade stock and options, but you just did not know how to get started? Well, in this new video series, How to Options Trading, Jonathan and I are going to be talking about how he got his start in the stock and options industry and how he traded his money very successfully. So, this first video is an intro to us, tells you a little bit about me, the bald guy in the video, the former Marine and former police officer, and how I found Jonathan, how I did the investigative work to actually find what was going to work for me, what was going to really make a difference for me and for my family. And part of that was I wanted an expert, not just someone that was on the internet and someone that claimed to have been doing it, but someone who had done it, someone who had been there, done that. And as you can see, and you'll be able to see in this video, that's absolutely Jonathan's background.
Hey, so I'm happy to be here today. I'm looking forward to showing you some of my techniques for trading stocks and options. I've been trading for the good part of 30 years and I'm best known perhaps for running my wedding money up from 10 grand to over $910,000 in a few short years. As Jim mentioned, I wrote for Forbes and that was, fun. We had a column there. And I've also, some of my background, I'm a chemical engineer, graduated Brown and way back when in the 80s. And I have a degree in MBA from business school from University of Michigan. I've worked on Wall Street and I served as a senior analyst at one of their research houses there. And I've been on, a bunch of different TV channels. I've been on CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg, and other TV channels. So, but the important thing is that I ran my own money full time for 13 years. And that's where, most of my trading expertise comes from is running my own funds and trading for a living. And so what we're going to cover in this channel are, things I've learned from all my experiences trading. And we're going to go over, key elements to being a successful stock and options trader, different trading strategies. And we're going to, first off, you need to identify an edge so you can make consistent profits from trading. And there's all kinds of setups, but basically they fall on a spectrum of, high probability with low return and low probability with high return. And you want to identify setups that have positive expectancy. It essentially means that over a bunch of trades, you end up with profits that are bigger than your losses. And so we're going to cover some setups that have those properties. George Soros says that one of the things that's important is being right when you're right to be right big, right? And so we have a system called profit cycle trading. And what it allows us to do is trade the market in natural 3 to 12 week cycles. And we get heavy in our positions at the start of a new cycle and take profits as the cycle extends out. So in this video series, we'll be going over some common option trading strategies and suggesting a way of improving, your results trading them. I wanted to show you that we have a Facebook page. It's the Street Smart Options Facebook page. And in it, we give ideas and stuff. And so I wanted to maybe just show you a couple of ideas that popped out that I highlighted on that page. One was this company called Teleria, and we spotlighted it down here. And these were just stock picks, right? Now you can trade options off some of these. This particular one, actually, you can't even trade stock options off of, right? Because it's this cheapy stock. So it's like buying this cheapy stock is like buying an option, right? But in any case, so, we highlight this thing at about 5.5 and it's trudged up. It's got a double in here. And this was in our Facebook group. And I just want to, give you some examples of things we've done. We trade options on Etsy. We highlighted it in our group at around 27.5. We traded it, all the way up for a double here. NVIDIA, we highlighted NVIDIA. It's not really an optionable stock, but we highlighted it first over here at 10. We trade this little pop. Then we highlighted it again. We trade this little pop, and then there's been a lot of other. We do a lot of spread trading, and if you go through our Facebook group here, you can see some of the spreads we've done and some of the other trades we've done. And these are we took a naked put position in Teleria right at the top here, as you know, as was falling off. Um, and we traded a lot of we traded several stocks in the cannabis space. You know, I'm showing you here, you know, our Facebook group, and so we have fun. You know, we look at a lot of different things. We trade stocks and options, but this video series that we're doing here is going to be mostly focused on options and how to make money from options. So that's really that's it for our introduction, and I look forward to creating this video series for you.